Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video,
I am going to show you how to take your online classes more easily and more interactively using OpenBoard. First of all, let's check out what is an OpenBoard. For that, I'm just going to show you what is an OpenBoard. OpenBoard is a free and open source interactive whiteboard software compatible with any projector and pointing device. So now let's check out how we can download OpenBoard. For that, click on download OpenBoard at the top of your browser, and here we can download OpenBoard in any of the OS we have. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the OpenBoard in the Windows OS. For that, select your Windows OS and click on Download OpenBoard for Windows. And a thing to note here that you can download OpenBoard for only version with 7+. So make sure that you have a 7+ Windows version. I'm going to click on download. Now let's save it in one of the folder. Now here I am going to save the file in the download folder and wait till the file get downloaded, and let's wait. Now I'm going to open the desktop shortcut. Now let's check out what it is. And here we have the OpenBoard. It will be open to us. And as you all know, OpenBoard is an interactive whiteboard for teachers to take their classes more interactively to their students. Now there are many tools here that familiarize some of them, and this one is the pencil tool. We can go annotate document, and there is the erase annotation, and this is the highlight one, and this is the select and modify objects. We have the drag and drop, scroll page, and lots more. We have the virtual laser pointer, and we have the capture part of the screen. Now and another one merit of this is when you click on the more option, you have the options to show your desktop, and here it is, the toolbox as open here, and you can take your online classes more easily using PDFs or documents, etc., with the toolbox on your left side of your screen. Now let's check out. And friends, look here, I have a PDF file open for you. Now let's check out how to use each one of the tools. And here first of all, I am going to select the pencil tool. We have the options to change its color. I am going to make it red, and let's check out how does it work. We have the options to mark, we have the options to write, we have the options to draw, anything we can do. So we have the options to draw, and we have the options to erase. Let's check out how we can erase. We can simply erase, and we have the options to highlight. How we can highlight? We have the options to highlight our documents and lots more. I'm going to erase this one, and I'm going to erase this one, and we have the options to select and modify objects, and here we can scroll the objects, we can select it, and we can modify it. And let's check out the tool for this sport file. It's a virtual laser tool, and here We can highlight each of the points to our students. Check it out. We can highlight each of the points. That is chapter 2, socio-economic structure. And here we have the virtual keyboard and we have the options to capture part of the screen. Now let's check out how we can use this tool. First of all, select the tool and I need a small portion of this page, so I'm simply going to drag. And they are asking to add to current page, add to a new page, and add to library. Since I already added one page, I'm going to add to the current page. And now let's check it. And here, the part of the screen has appeared in my OpenBoard screen. It's very nice. And let's check out the other tools here. And here we have one more tool, that is capture the screen. And this one is capture part of the screen, and we have the capture to all screen. And this tool is to go back to show OpenBoard. And here it is show OpenBoard, and we have the part of the screen that I have pasted here. We have the options to highlight here, highlight each of the following to our students, and make our online classes more interactively. If we need, we can change the graph to a, we can change this to this one, this one, this one. We can change it to any graph we need. So it's up to us how we need to take our online class. And more easily and more precisely, this one is very interesting, right? I would like to suggest you all, if you take your online classes using this type of applications, it would be more interactive to your students, and you can take your online classes more easily. They can understand each and every concept, and you can add pages here, and you can go back to your previous page and to the next page, and we have the erase option, and we can go to the web, and we have the options to go to the web, and there are a lot more things to do. I hope that you all like my video. Please subscribe my channel, those who have not subscribed yet, and also try to comment on my videos, and let's see on my next video.